We are at Motorama 2024. We got over here in the corner where we can actually talk to you guys. This place is loaded with people and cars. So come with me as we walk around and check out some of the cool sights. Let's do it. I don't know, I think this would be a good color for the MG. That's a good looking orange on that truck. Not so much as a dent in the bed. That is beautiful. That is a nice looking Chevy. You got a nice Z28. It looks to be like original paint, the looks of it. We got blackjack. The fenders used to look. Pretty cool ride. This one's rather sinister. Gotta love a truck with KC lights. Pretty cool looking 48 Chevy. Got, I believe, a Nissan? Yes. We've got a dent side with matching trailer. Screaming Eagles. Pretty neat. Now this guy over here is cool. F-150, blue interior with the cap from Washington State. That's cool. What we got in the back of this big boy? Oh, we got the tailgate. We got it all carpeted out. That's pretty cool. Paneling and all. I like it. I like it a lot. Pumpkin. STI carbon fiber. A little Chevy S10er. Ain't gonna hold much in the bed, but you can step over it. That's cool flame job. All blacked out. Crew cab. That thing's dragging. Pretty nice looking blue and white on that old GM.
Oh gosh.
Another S10.
Mr. Lee Hopkins Enterprises.
Oh no, everywhere I go he finds me again.
Yes, you said we were going to meet in the middle. We're pretty close to the middle.
Well, we're off to the one side of the middle.
Yeah.
It's kind of, yeah.
We're in the center lengthwise. Are you filming?
Yeah.
I'm filming.
Are you filming? All right. All right, I'm going to continue filming.
There's trucks over there.
Yeah, there's trucks over there.
Mini trucks here.
Yeah, little trucks here. Mazda. Don't see the purple flames often. Ooh, and the matching bicycle and the trailer. An early nice 1500. Always like them velour seats. Got us a JEMC, a Camaro SS, another Subaru WRX. Speedy little buggers. We got some purple going on. 392 Hemi SRT. That's kind of neat. Kind of a blue with yellow undertones. This one's got the big sparkly carbon fibery stuff. We even got some gas pumpers. Got mini trucking. The Plaid. Got the Volkswagen gang. And the Corvette. Real nice square body Chevy. Got a JK with all the The light blue accents. A Mustang. Now that's kind of a cool looking patina on that thing. Simulated rust. It's actually kind of neat. Another Dodge truck. Then we got the before. Pretty cool machine. Lots of blue in here. That's cool. Like the little blue light accents. We got a Chevy truck. Then we got another Chevy truck. Then we got a Mustang and a Maverick. That guy's actually pretty cool. Got the bike in the back, matching colors. We got a Racer. The Subaru. Grabber. Got lots of Mavericks here. Nova, I believe. An F-150. It's actually a nice little stance on that guy. Got us an old Ford with the yeller wheels. Firebird, I believe. Another Nova. Looking good with the tonneau up. We got Camaro. Got us a BMW and a Porsche.